Hey guys, welcome back to David's tutorial. Today I'll show you how to turn off two-factor authentication on Messenger step by step. First, open your Messenger app. Tap your profile picture at the top left to open settings. Now scroll down and tap account settings. It will redirect you to your Facebook settings page because Messenger uses your Facebook account for security settings. Now look for password and security and tap that. Scroll down until you find two-factor authentication and tap it. You'll see a list of security options. Tap the one you're currently using, either authentication app, text message, or security key. Now tap turn off. It will ask for your Facebook password to confirm. Once you enter your password, tap continue and then confirm again by tapping turn off. And that's it. Two-factor authentication is now disabled for your Messenger account. That's all for now. Thanks for watching David's tutorials.